If you are looking for quick, effective exercises that will strengthen your legs, then I have got the exercises for you. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to this exercise workout where, yes, you guys, we are going to do some exercises to strengthen these legs. Now, you've heard me say before that as we age, a lot of things start to diminish, okay, that we don't actually see. Things such as bone density and muscle mass, but we can definitely, easily counteract those things, okay, by doing effective and efficient exercises, some of which I am going to show you today. I've got 3 exercises, you guys, each one 45 seconds in duration with a 15-second break in between. And I am using a resistance band for exactly that, additional resistance. If you are not yet ready for this extra resistance, then your own body weight, you guys, hear me again, your own body weight is a form of resistance. So, without further ado, let's get right into this exercise segment, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to start with the crab walk, 2 left and 2 right. Remember, throughout this entire exercise segment, keep these abdominal muscles engaged. And if your stride is not as wide as mine, okay, then take it smaller. And as you continue to exercise consistently, then you will get stronger and stronger and be able to take a bigger step. Last one to the right. Whew. You feel that, you guys? I know I did. Okay. Coming up next, we're going to go into a demi squat. Keep those abdominal muscles engaged. Okay, make sure these legs are wide so you have resistance on this band. And we're going to go out on the toes, just like that, and back in. So we're stretching this band even further. And doing this, because we are in fact coming up on our toes, we are working on our balance and coordination. Last one, stand up, and for the third and final exercise, we are going to do a lateral lift on the left, and halfway through, we're going to repeat it to the right. Once again, that balance and coordination is definitely coming into play. Let's switch it to the right side. Two more. Make them strong, you guys. And last one. Excellent work. High five. Give yourselves a hug because you once again showed up for fabulous you. And as I just said earlier in this segment, if this is too much for you right now, okay, start with your own body resistance. And as you get stronger, then you can start incorporating this exercise band. The ones that I purchased, I'll leave the link in the description. They came in a pack of 3 with 3 different resistances. There's a small, a medium, and a high resistance. So you guys challenge yourselves where you were last week, okay? Today, try to improve upon where you were then. You will definitely surprise yourself. Don't limit yourself to where you think you are. Push yourself. You will definitely surprise yourself. So you guys, having said that, you can repeat this particular exercise segment 2 more times or definitely incorporate it with some of my other short segment workouts for more of a full body effect. You guys, you know what I say. It is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And you know what will make my day even more special? If you would give this video a like and a share. And also, please do subscribe to my channel. And please do share it with those that you feel would benefit from the content that I am bringing you here. You guys continue to keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon right here on my workout stage or in the kitchen where I bring you nutrient-rich, easy, and delicious recipes. Thank you guys, and see you soon.